Late last year, our client was pulled over and accused of drinking and driving by a very experienced DUI traffic officer in Montgomery County.
You have anything to drink tonight? No. You're kidding me. Step out of the car.
Skeptical about some of the officer's observations, we requested body camera footage to see whether or not his claims were corroborated.
How you doing?
Okay.
How old are you?
One of the allegations was that our client had slow motor skills. That was easily disproved by viewing her interactions, which proved to be coherent.
How much you had to drink tonight?
No, I didn't have a drink because I was just taking my friends home right now.
You weren't at a bar tonight?
The officer also claimed that the defendant could not produce a license.
And do you have a license in Maryland?
I do.
However, while an actual plastic license was never recovered, she certainly showed the officer a copy of her license on the phone,
I can show you a picture.
That's good. We'll see that in a minute.
which should have been sufficient to identify herself as a licensed driver in Maryland.
Do you have epilepsy? Diabetes?
No.
No, you on any medications? You have any vision problems?
I do. Migraine.
Migraine. You have that right now too? You have a migraine right now.
I
You got a lot of stuff going on right now.
On several occasions, it becomes obvious that the officer is trying to rattle the defendant,
All right. How come I'm smelling alcohol?
scare her, intimidate her into making mistakes.
So it's 9 up. Turn around to your left and take 9 back. Do you understand the test?
Okay. Yeah.
Do you understand the test?
So, yes.
The officer also made claims about her failing field sobriety tests,
All right. Anytime you're ready.
and we quickly noticed by the way his body camera was positioned, it was not set in such a way as to actually capture what he claimed the client had done wrong.
Under arrest for DWI.
What about my friends?
Well, I'll deal with that in a minute.
By showing that certain statements that he made were verifiably not true, we were able to cast some doubt on the officer's credibility.
What's up, brother? How you doing?
With that information, after speaking to the prosecutor in the case was resolved by a simple ticket for the client failing to have her license on her when she was pulled over. All charges related to drinking driving were dismissed.
On your phone, you can call the cab company to come get you.
This case is a great demonstration about how a client can help their attorney out.
Right through that door. See you.
While the attorney can point out some of the government's weaknesses in a case, sometimes the client's conduct on the scene actually contributes to the victory. In this case, she remained calm, and she certainly didn't fall for the officer's traps when he questioned her about where she had been or where she was going.
You weren't at a bar tonight?
Sometimes to win a case, it not only takes the right lawyer, but the right client.